I'm writing a paper on how the media and stereotypes affect African American women for my English 1102 class. First, I will open Google Chrome and go to Google, and I will type in my topic, which is how the media affects African American women. I choose the link reality TV and its damaging effects on black women because the title seems very interesting. I'm opening another tab and typing in stereotypes of African American women. Now I'm clicking on the link Time to End Negative Stereotypes of Black Women because in my paper I can talk about ways to end the stereotypes and ways to stop the media. I'm skimming through the article. It has very good information, so if I was on my home computer, I would bookmark it. I will go back to Google and I'm changing my search terms to media and African American stereotypes. African American women. And I will click images. I found an image about African American women having thick hair, and I will use this image because I can use it for an example when I talk about the stereotypes of black women's hair. I will then go to Google Scholar and type in my topic, how the media affects African American women. And I will click the link, The Media as a System of Racialization, exploring images of African American women and the new racism, because it seemed like it would be good for my topic. I'm skimming through the article. I will use this article because it looks back in time and shows how some of the stereotypes that we're using now have been used in the past, and that can show how this is an ongoing thing. So I would bookmark it if I was on my home computer, and I will go back to Google Scholar. And I'm clicking the effects of images of African American women in hip hop on early adolescence attitudes, because hip hop videos is a form of media, and it can show how just that particular form of media can affect young African American women because it's about adolescence. So it will be a particular group. And I will skim through and I will bookmark this one because it gives a lot of examples and it focuses on an age group. And I would go back to Google and I would type how the media affects African American women body image. And I'm clicking the link, the media effects on women's body image. And I will bookmark this image if I was on my home computer because it tells how advertisements can make women, it tells how advertisement makes women feel, or African American women. So that would be a good source for my paper. And I will go back to Google and I would type positive African American stereotypes. And that would be like my counter argument. Like, even though there are a lot of negative ones, there are also positive ones, also. Now I'm clicking the first link. Can you name one positive stereotype about black people? Because there are not many. There are not many good titles on this topic, on this particular one. Since this one is not giving a good information, I will go back to Google and type positive African American role models, African American women. I'm changing my search terms to positive African American women in media. And now I'm clicking the link Black Women in Media because it seems that it would name black women who are being positive in the media. And this source gives a list where it gives examples of women who are being positive in the media for African American women. So I will bookmark it so that I can use those examples in my essay. And then I will go back to Google and retype in my topic.